Learning how to express uncertainty is an essential part of mastering any language. In French, there are several ways to say maybe, each with its own nuance and level of formality. This guide will help you understand when and how to use these expressions in everyday conversations. Peut-être. Peut-être. The most common and versatile way to say maybe in French. It's suitable for both casual and formal situations. Example in context. Tu viens ce soir? Peut-être. Pro tip. You can also say peut-être que, followed by a complete sentence. Peut-être que je viendrai demain. Ça dépend. Ça dépend. Meaning it depends. This phrase is perfect when your answer depends on certain conditions. Example in context. Tu veux aller au cinéma? Ça dépend du film. On verra. On verra. Literally meaning we'll see. This is a more casual way to express uncertainty about future events. Example in context. Tu peux m'aider demain? On verra. Je ne suis pas sûr. Je ne suis pas sûr. Meaning, I'm not sure. This phrase expresses personal uncertainty. Remember to add an i at the end if you're female, sûr. Example in context. Tu connais la réponse? Je ne suis pas sûr. Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? Meaning, why not? This is a more positive way of saying maybe, indicating openness to an idea. Example in context. On pourrait aller manger une glace? Pourquoi pas? Ça peut. Ça peut. A casual, shortened version of ça peut être, meaning could be or it might. This is very informal and commonly used in everyday speech. Example in context. Tu penses que c'est la bonne solution? Ça peut. Faut voir. Faut voir. Short for il faut voir, meaning we'll have to see. This informal expression indicates that more information or time is needed before making a decision. Example in context. On se fait un resto ce week-end? Faut voir mon emploi du temps.